we're gonna install the fan belt. We're gonna install the fan belt without removing the fan. Fan is here. So normally you have to remove this one, but we do the shortcut, the fastest way. We don't remove the fan. So first and first, we're gonna compare the length of the fan belt. So we're gonna compare the old one and the new one in between, because sometimes the length are not the same. We're gonna like that. See, this is longer, but since this is the new belt, the new fan belt is longer, but since the fan belt has the belt tensioner or spring loaded, this will automatically adjust. And also the important thing is we're gonna check the groove. The groove is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 grooves. Should be 7 also here, has the old one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the same grooves. Okay, I like that. Okay, so even though they have the same, the wide of the belt is the same, but sometimes the groove is different. So we will see if this one, this is longer, but we will check if it is the belt tensioner is picking up, even if this is longer. So we just kind of slide down on the thing here, on the pan. So slide it down. Spin a little bit, it helps to accommodate the fan belt. Okay. It's very hard. Pulley. Make sure that the belt is riding. It is riding in. Looks like it will riding on. Okay. Since the belt tensioner is spring loaded, the tensioner is spring loaded, so it will just automatically pick up the slack. No, this is 14 mil. Don't forget. Belt tensioner is 14 mil. So although the fan belt, as I said, although the fan belt is long, but the belt tensioner will automatically adjust on that slack. Will pick up the slack. We will see now. So pull up. Up. Push. Hard as you can. Okay. Steady up. Now we'll reset. Shit. Alam tayo. So, everything is riding on. Double check here. We will cut up on the alternator pulley. The last part. So it's right along. Okay, the position is like that, and then we'll cut. The alternator pulley will be the last thing to do, like that. Okay, so very tricky and very difficult, but we will see. So the positioning of the camera is very hard. Okay. We'll see now if we can pull this out. Pull us hard. Very hard. Really sucks. I'm thinking that it is easy to put it in, but it's not, because the space is too tight. And then the belt tension is really strong. It's up against. So we'll make it sure we will finish this one, because the owner coming in here now. Make sure really getting it. Patient and still not coming in. So really hard thing. This is what we gotta do. Inside this thing with the assistance with the pry bar. Slide this thing. Hard, guys, really hard. So guys, It's really hard. I tell you, it's really hard or very difficult to put on yourself without this. So you have to some kind provide like this thing here because the belt tension is very strong. So it's in now. Okay, and that's it. We'll connect and then we'll start the engine. We'll see if it is charging or not. So you have this holding the tension and we will release now. So alternator in and the connector also it's in. Like I say, that's very hard to put on. The sound simple but it's very hard to put on the pan belt. So we're gonna start the engine and then we will check the charging. Okay, if the alternator is good, we will see if it is charging or not. Check neutral. Start. We're gonna check multimeter here. Should be charging like 13.6, 13.5 something. We're gonna check here. We're gonna turn on our multimeter here. That's DC, we go to DC, so that's DC. I'm expecting like 13 something volts. This charging. So that's 13, 14, 14.3, 14.4. So alternator good charging. That's it guys, thank you. So that is Toyota Hiace 2002 model. New alternator, charging good. Thank you very much.